So you pick your meat, and then you pick one of 15 powders, and they shake it in there.
ต้มยำปาปริก้าไก่แซ่บ
Drumsticks, they have wings, and they have feet. Oh, and they have chicken skin also?
ใส่ไก่แซ่บนะ Shake chicken, the corn flavor that I ordered, I will try it now. It's a fried chicken, super crispy and with the corn flavor.
That sounds awesome. Let's try it out. Oh, wow. Oh, that's so good. It's like they took fried chicken and coated it with Frito-Lays and a little bit of sugar. It's so good.
Drumsticks. Cheers. Yeah, it's kind of KFC but less spicy, I would say.